Today is a special episode. Why is today a special episode? This is why today is a special episode. This little piece of paper and leather, I think. What's on the outside of a passport? I don't know. Is by far the most important object whilst traveling. I think you may be able to see where I'm going with this. One of the three of us has had their passport stolen. And can you guess which one of us three that was? Well, drum roll please.
It's me!
Yes, that's right. At the airport in Nice, Allie had her passport pickpocketed from her. So, right now, we're a little bit stuck. Luckily, you can go from country to country within the Schengen visa European countries, which is like a whole thing I'm not going to explain. So we're not actually in France anymore, we're in Italy, because that's where our plane to Scotland was supposed to leave from. Unluckily, you can go to pretty much any country within the European Schengen visa without a passport, except the UK. So, right now, we're in Milan, and the absolute worst part of this entire thing, it gets so much worse. We left Nice on a Friday at 2 p.m., and we got into Milan at like 7:30 p.m. At this time, the US Embassy was closed, and we really had no other option. We couldn't get here any earlier. We looked at everything. And then, the US Embassy isn't open all weekend, which I think is extremely stupid, because it's like, oh, if you're an American citizen and you have a crisis in Europe during the weekend, sorry, we can't help you, you're a little screwed. And it gets even worse. Today is Remembrance Day, today is Sunday, and whenever there's an American holiday on the Sunday, everywhere in America has off on the Monday, and that includes American embassies, so they're also closed on Monday. So we are here Saturday night, Sunday night, Monday night, and Tuesday night until we can actually get to Scotland. Emma was able to board the flight, so she went to meet my family in Scotland. So right now it's just me and Allie here because I didn't want to leave her all by herself in a foreign country because that'd be terrifying. So we have to wait till Tuesday morning to get the passport, and then we couldn't find any cheap flights that night, so we had to wait another night to fly out on Wednesday morning. So naturally, these past 2 days have been just a whole mess. But the good news is we can get more pizza and pasta in Italy. I already started that last night. We got a pizza from the place across the street. So now my pizza count is up to 6. So that's good. This is how I got that shot.
Versace on the floor.
It's over there, you can't see it though.
Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang. Gucci gang, Gucci gang.
You are so white.
I know, I'm sorry.
Every single place in here is just so beyond our price range.
Oh, speak for yourself. It's beyond my price range.
So expensive.
Way beyond.
Oh yeah. There she is. Definitely missed this place.
You know what's up?
Okay, so that tradition, as weird as it is that you're supposed to stand on the bull's testicles with your right heel and spin 3 times, and it's supposed to bring you good luck. I have absolutely no idea why, but it was fun, I guess. I don't know. No, this is not a joke. What you are looking at right now is actually a statue of the middle finger, and it was built right in front of the headquarters of the stock market in Milan. And it's essentially a big FU to CEOs of the stock market and bankers. That is hilarious. 'Tis day 3 here. It's pretty late in the day right now, it's like 6:30. But pretty much all that we've done today is breakfast, edit. And we walked to the embassy because Google actually says that it's open, but I think that's just its regular scheduling and it doesn't take into account holidays. And we thought, we have nothing else to do, why not go check if it may be open for emergency passports? It wasn't. So yeah, we've pretty much just gone on a walk, edited, and watched Harry Potter. Yeah, it's a good series. And I know you may be saying, what? You're in Italy, why you're not doing more things? Well, the thing is, we've been to Milan for a total of what, like 4 days now? And we've done pretty much most of the stuff that interests us. It's kind of a nice break though, because pretty much every other day here has been kind of up and go during the entire trip. So it's a nice refresher. Right now we're gonna go to this aperitivo food place for dinner. Okay, so what aperitivo is, for those of you who don't know, it's basically you buy a drink for like 8 or 10 euro, and then with that drink comes like this fully stocked buffet with a bunch of finger food. And if you feast enough on those, it's basically 8 or 10 euro for a drink and a full meal, so it's a pretty good deal. Okay, so
We got the passport. Fake passport.
it's a fake passport. It's valid for a year, and then you just have to get a new one. But we're gonna be able to get out of Italy. It took like 2.5 hours, which wasn't bad. And now we're celebrating. We're back at the candy store that we were at last time we were in Milan. We're gonna get some candy. We were also pretty ashamed of our low cannoli count in Italy, so we decided to amp that up a little more.
No one does that.
4.5 hours later, we are at an Airbnb. Originally, we were staying in a hotel in the city of Milan near the US Embassy. And today we took a train to the province of Bergamo, which is where the airport is. So we're flying out here tomorrow. We're finally gonna get to Scotland.
Don't speak too soon.
Yeah. Okay, we are at the airport, and surprise, surprise, we're short on time. We had a stupid taxi issue this morning. It took forever for us to get a taxi, and now it's 20 minutes before our gate closes, and we are on the other side of the airport from it. Finally made it. T-minus 2 hours till our bus to Inverness. So in the meantime, we're gonna get some food.
Oh God, please stop.
Made it on the bus. T-minus 3.5 hours till we make it to Inverness.
Hello. I didn't think we were going to.
Say hello to the vlog. Nice. Oh, we have a car. Yes. Yes. Oh. So after a very long, just roller coaster day, we have finally made our destination. Right now we are in Inverness. Tomorrow we leave for Isle of Skye. So I'll see you guys in a few hundred miles. Thank you for tuning into this special episode of Catastrophe.
A catastrophe.
Catastrophe, the Catastrophe Chronicles. I can make a whole episode or series on that with this trip. Oh well. See ya.